Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will show us how to make Rangina sweets. It's a simple dates recipe. They are only about 5 minutes to complete. I am going to use dates, white flour, butter, and cinnamon powder. To begin, roast the white flour over low heat until it turns gold. Then set it aside. Then, in a large pan, melt the 50-gram butter. If necessary, add more butter to taste. Then add the roasted flour and stir over low heat until it becomes creamy, as shown in the video. Remove the date seeds and place them in the large plate before applying the paste to the dates. I optionally add cinnamon powder to the sweets. I hope you find this video enjoyable. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to share, comment, and subscribe.